introduced a 2013 Honda CRV. Customers state the engine noise, rattle noise, and I want you to hear the engine noise and where they're coming from. Okay. Okay. Let's start the engine. Hear the engine rattle noise, and it goes away. It's just right here. It's called the VTC actuator. Okay, so I have the VTC out. This is the one that makes a noise. Okay, so the CVT, it makes a noise. And this is the new one. It's a Honda part. Okay, it's a new one. All right, we open the new one. Old one and the new one. This is the one is called to make a noise. It's called the VTC actuator. Okay,